Okay, so today we are riding around in my buddy's drag truck. I don't know how well you can hear me, but we just went for a ride in this thing, and when I tell you it is absolutely nasty, this truck is just stupid. Full drag truck, I mean, yeah. I don't know how well this audio is gonna be, but this is a fully gutted strip truck, and he just took me for a ride in it, and God, I was not ready, but this truck's like a 1,000-wheel horse truck, no doubt. Absolute nasty. Definitely gonna be doing some more videos with this thing. Hopefully season breaks. It's actually nice weather in Indiana right now, so if you guys want to see more of the diesel stuff, he's got this truck, then he's got a daily driver. But yeah.